Are you ready to make some extra cash? Discover how to make $100 every day with Canva. You don't need any experience with graphic design, Photoshop, or anything like that. I'll show you everything from how, with right knowledge and techniques, you can make up to $100 a day using Canva. In this video, you will learn how to become a Canva pro and start making money with your schedule. We will show you how to use significant design principles and best practices to create images that stand out and capture the attention of potential buyers. With Canva, you can make money designing without having to learn complicated software. Tune in to learn how you can earn an extra $100 a day with Canva. By the end of this video, you'll be designing your graphics and making money. I'm here to show you that it's not as hard as it seems, and you can create a business with just 1 or 2 hours of your time daily. Let's get started and learn about Canva, the best way to make money online. Before we start, welcome to Digital Success, where I teach you how to earn money online while sitting in your comfortable home. Subscribe to this channel and do not forget to click on the notification bell. Whenever I get a new strategy on how to make money online, I upload it here and you'll be updated. You can start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if ever you have any question or opinion about the video, just leave a comment down below. I'll reply to every comment as much as I can. For brand new beginners who haven't made any money before, this is often absolutely free and super easy to get started. The great news is that this chance is open to everyone, everywhere in the world, and it's 100% free. Do not miss out on the bonus tips I reveal at the very end, which can make everything autopilot for you and only require you to copy and paste it in order to begin earning money. Pay careful attention and do not miss any crucial elements. Let's start with the video. First of all, I want to show you that this strategy really works. As you can see here, $15 is the average sales they're making per salon. They have made 5,476 sales. So if I time that by the average that I've worked out, these guys have made over $82,140 doing this method. So right now, I'll show you an amazing tool that we'll be using to earn this amount of money, and this tool will do all of the work for us. This is a 100% free graphic editing tool that can allow you to actually make money. In this video, I'll show you what Canva is, how to use the tool, and how to make money using this right here step by step. So this is a free graphic design tool to help us create impressively contents in minutes, such as social media, posts, logos, thumbnails, videos, templates, presentations, and much more. It's very simple and easy to use and has a lot of ready-made templates, so you don't need any graphic designing skills or experience. You just need to click some buttons and we will get paid, as simple as that. In this video, I'll show you how this works and how easy this tool is to use. As you can see here, a free graphic design tool is to help you create impressive content in minutes, browse thousands of professional templates, and edit them right away, so we can simply create our design within 1 minute. Now, for the first step, all you have to do is go over to canva.com. Once you're here, you need to create a free account. To do so, click on sign up to create your free account. Now, once you've made your account, you can see that you're going to be given a lot of different templates that you can start off with. The second step, so after you created your account on Canva, you need to type the Pinterest pin in the search bar, then just click search. Once you click search, you'll see here a lot of pre-made Pinterest templates. As you can see, all of these templates are high quality and they've done for us. This tool already created the template for us, and all we have to do is just change some text colors and stuff like that. It's very easy and anyone can simply do this method. Now, you need to choose the template you like. All you have to do is click on the template and then go through whichever page you want to utilize, and then it will bring us over to this page. This is where we can customize the template that we choose as we like. If you want to change the background color, just click on the background and then click this color button. Now I can choose the color I like. Next, I'm going to change the text by double clicking on it. Now I can type here work from home jobs. As you can see, I just changed the background color in the text, as easy as that. And now I'm going to change some other steps to make it more professional. If you want to add audio, image, video, and charts, you can find them here on the left side. For one moment, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel with a notification and Give big thumbs up if you're getting value from this video. This motivates me to upload more videos on how to make money online in the simplest way. I would really appreciate if you guys leave a comment. Now for the third step, I am going to show you how to earn the most money by using the ready-made template which we just created. It's just copied and pasted first, and foremost I want you to go to Etsy.com. If you don't know what Etsy is an online marketplace home to millions of artists and makers. It's a global online marketplace where people come together to make sales and buy digital products like logos, templates, planners, and other. You need to create a free account. It's going to ask for your first name and a password, okay? So once you sign up, it will bring you to this page. Here, people are selling their logo, design, thumbnails, banner, website templates, and many digital products. So we will be doing this as we are going to sell Pinterest templates as I showed you earlier. It's very easy to create a logo by using that free tool. When you go to the Pinterest section right here, you can see that many people are selling their Pinterest templates here and they're making a lot of money on Etsy. If we take a look at the seller, this person sells one template pack for $10 and he sold more than 1,938 sales so far. That means this person made over $19,000 by just selling templates on Etsy. If we take a look at this other seller, this person sells one template pack for $12 and he sold more than 2,986 templates so far. That means this person made over $35,000 by just selling templates on Etsy. That's why I highly recommend you start this right now. This is not just something that will pay us a couple of dollars every day. This is a real online business and a lot of people are making a full-time income selling Pinterest templates. In addition to the Pinterest templates, you can sell digital planners, checklists, email, signature templates, fonts, and logos. Thank you so much for watching and making sure to smash a like button and subscribe with notification. In that way, you will be notified every time I upload a new brand video. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.